How to make 1 billion views in a month. Number 1. Catchy title. In the title, you need something more interesting. Like, so people will click on it right away. Like, how to make, like, make it 1 trillion views in a day. But people will not believe you. And just put something more realistic. Let's erase this. To make realistic, just put 1 billion in a month. So people will really believe you. Number 2, target audience. In target audience, there are 3 categories. First, the old people, 60 to 99 years old. Second, the teens and not so much. And finally, the infants and babies and kids. These are the people who watch all day, every day. But this is not our target. Our target is the aliens from outer space. Number 3, interesting thumbnail. Thumbnail should be interesting, like what I will do. First, you make a shocking face like this and screenshot it. And we take your screenshot, let's put something like kids will click, like cats. And for adults, we put something more interesting, like picture like this. Finally, the content. Do the flaws. It's more interesting, like, or make a music video like me. Or just make a 3D characters and put something nursery song. So the kids will watch it. Okay, thank you.